Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the Cordless Electric Scissors, a versatile and powerful tool designed to make cutting through materials like fabric, leather, cardboard, carpet, and plastic a breeze. With its high-torque motor, this tool delivers consistent cutting power, ensuring smooth and precise edges every time, while the lightweight, ergonomic design minimizes hand strain and fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably for extended periods. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, these scissors offer up to 2 hours of continuous cutting on a single charge, and the quick recharge feature means you can get back to your projects in no time. The cordless design provides unrestricted movement, making it easy to handle large sheets or intricate patterns, and the safety switch prevents accidental activation, offering peace of mind during use. Built with high-quality materials and precision engineering, these scissors are durable and reliable, with sharp blades that maintain their edge even after extensive use. Whether you're a professional tailor, crafter, or DIY enthusiast, these cordless electric scissors will transform the way you work, backed by a comprehensive 1-year warranty for added confidence in your purchase. So why struggle with hand fatigue and uneven cuts when you can enjoy effortless cutting power and precision with our cordless electric scissors? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.